Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I will be making these leggings. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Going step by step. So what I do is fold my fabric twice, and what I'm using a pair that I made to make me another pair. So what I'm going to do is fold them sideways, as you can see, carefully. I'm going to use my weight so nothing shifts. If you have pins, use those, whatever. Just make sure they don't shift. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut them out. And if you want to cut them out and use a sewing machine, go ahead and cut out an inch bigger. But if you're using a serger, you want to use 1/2, like half an inch. Because that way, it's still a knit material. It's going to have a lot of stretch and give. I'd rather you cut too much than not enough. Anyway, as you can see, I'm working with what I have left over, and I had to use a different technique with these. Please follow me, guys. So what I'm doing is basically facing them together, and I'm pinning them down because those are the two sides that I'm going to go stitch. Before I stitch, I'm going to cut up about 1/4 inch off of this front side, because that's going to be my crotch. And I'm going to take a little teeny piece on the side to show that that's my back over there. I like to do that way, I get sewing, and sometimes everything starts looking the same. But anyway, go ahead and stitch those two sides, bring it back. As you can see, it's time to move on. Fold it out. I like to start at my crotch. I say crotch a lot. Anyway, pin that all the way down to the ankle. And as you can see, this pin is a little shorter, but I'm going to fix that because I was not going to get a whole nother yard of fabric. I did this for 1 yard, guys, and I had some left over. So yeah, keep pinning and keep pinning until you get to the bottom, and we're going to stitch that at the machine. Now come back with the next step. So bam, we back. Now what I did, this is the little piece that I had left over, and as you can see, I'm folding it out to see how much seam allowance I need and how long I want it to be. I wanted mine to be a little bit longer because sometimes I wear them to the gym, I wear them under boots, I just wear mine everywhere. So anyway, cut that. See how it looks nice and even. So what I'm going to do is cut that piece because that's folded. But anyway, I go ahead and I stitch them together. I pin it. Yes, pin. Good size facing one another, like I did before. But anyway, so this is my next step. I gotta turn my pants right side out because I want my good sides to be facing to sew them together. So what you want to do is line up the seams together, pin around, do your little straight stitch, and after that, go ahead and hem the bottom. You can fold it over 1/2 inch. Use that. Well, actually 1/4 and then another 1/4, and then go ahead and stitch around it. So for this one, because I didn't have enough fabric, I'm making a waistband, and I just basically did it along the stretch and went on my waist, and then I folded it and all that fun stuff. But as you can see, everything came out looking really, really good. And with my waistband, I made it a little bit snug to where it actually fits really good. That way I didn't need any elastic. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Check me out next time. See you then.